Right then. Okay, so I've gone halfway, and then this is what happens. Make sure the strands of hair you're picking are quite small. Depending on the amount of hair on the client's head, you may go further with your hands like that, because the hair now gets a lot in your hands, and so you're no longer just working with the tip of your fingers. So you keep adding more hair, but in little strands. So you get to the end and you again braid it in all the way down. You don't change your pattern. And when we say in, that means the hair is going into your hands like that, like that, like that. I'm kind of holding this family because the hair is a bit slippery in my hand. But normally, if you are working with a client whose hair is not that tough, you just go like that. So you're taking it from over. So if you're used to cornrow, you understand what I mean by over, because it's not going under. Cornrows go under, Dutch braids go over. And that's how you finish it off. So for this particular doll, I'm not going to just let it go. I'll have to take a rubber band and hold it because the hair is quite slippery. And that's it, one side done.